bye bye. Bye 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 bye. And most of all, our hut and hut. This is where we live. A big garden. And in this we can play. And mostly inside of my house. And I forgot to tell you. I got two friends who live right there. One named Thea and one named Laura. And my grandma Maria lived far, far away over there. And she is Maria. Time to say bye. Bye, hello. Bye.